In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off temporary chat in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click, so you can get back to your regular chat experience without any confusion. First, open ChatGPT and look toward the top right area of the screen. You're looking for a small outline chat bubble icon. It's usually grouped with other quick access controls near your profile area. This icon is the shortcut for temporary chat, and it's designed to be easy to toggle on and off without digging into menus. Here's the key detail to watch for. If that outline chat bubble has a small check mark on it, that means temporary chat is currently turned on. When it's on, ChatGPT treats your conversation as a temporary session. In many cases, that means the chat won't be saved to your history, making it useful for quick, one-off questions or for keeping your main conversation list uncluttered. But if you're ready to switch back to your standard chats that appear in your history, all you need to do is click that icon once. After you click, the checkmark should disappear from the outline chat bubble. That visual change is your confirmation that temporary chat is now turned off. From this point forward, new messages will follow your normal chat behavior again. You don't need to confirm anything else or navigate away. The toggle works instantly. If you glance back at the icon and don't see a check mark in the first place, that simply means temporary chat was already off and you don't have to do anything. In other words, the presence of the check mark indicates on, and the absence of the check mark indicates off. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If the interface looks a little different, try widening your browser window so the top right controls aren't collapsed. Also, if the icon doesn't seem to update after you click, a quick page refresh can help the visual state catch up. You won't lose anything by refreshing. The toggle is remembered immediately. That's all there is to it. Find the outline chat bubble in the top right, check whether there's a check mark, and click it to turn temporary chat off. It's a simple, one-click change that puts you back into your usual chat flow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your ChatGPT workspace just the way you like it.